Namaskar. I am Dr. K. Nagratna, Head Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. Today I am going to give you a weekly weather review of the uh, past weather and weather forecast during next 2 weeks over Telangana. And if you see the main synoptic features, our southwest monsoon has further advanced into some parts of Central Arabian Sea and its adjoining areas of Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, and North Interior Karnataka during past 1 week, and it has covered and it has entered into Telangana on 5th June over Mehboob Nagar. Further, the southwest monsoon has further advanced into some more parts of South Gujarat region, remaining parts of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and some more parts of South Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha, and remaining parts of Central Bay of Bengal, and most parts of North Bay of Bengal on 10th June. It has entered into Telangana on 5th June and covered the whole entire Telangana by 10th June 2021. The chief amounts of rainfall, if we see during past 1 week, it is seen that on 3rd June, Pochampalli district of Yadadgiri, Bhuvangiri has received 13 centimeters, and Jukkal, Kamareddy has received 12 centimeters, and Domkonda of Karimnagar has received 15 centimeters of rainfall. Telangana spatial distribution, if we see, Telangana during past 1 week had fairly widespread rainfall on 3rd, vigorous activity, and 5th June also fairly widespread activity with active monsoon, and 9th June fairly widespread active monsoons have been received. And if you see the distribution of rainfall for the past 1 week ending with 9th June, it is seen that large excess of rainfall of 121% departure from normal has been received. 24 districts have received large excess rainfall, 3 districts received excess rainfall, 3 districts received normal rainfall, 1 district received large deficient rainfall, and 1 district received deficient rainfall during past 1 week. And for season as a whole, it is seen that 1st June 2021 to 9/6/2021, the season, it is seen that 144% of departure from normal with large excess rainfall has been received, out of which 25 districts had a large excess rainfall, 5 districts received excess rainfall, and 1 district has received normal rainfall, and deficient rainfall received 1 district, and large deficient 1 district. If you see the distribution of the temperature during past 1 week, it is seen that mainly the temperatures are below normal. Both the maximum temperature and minimum temperatures are found to be below normal conditions. And forecast during next 5 days shows that under the impact of influence of the low pressure area that formed over the northwest Bay of Bengal is very likely to intensify further during next 24 hours and move towards in direction of west northwestward towards Odisha, Jharkhand, Vidarbha and East MP region, and Telangana is likely to have light to moderate rains or thunder showers in many places on 11th up to 12th, and thunderstorm activity and lightning is likely to occur during next 4 to 5 days, and heavy rainfall is very likely to occur in isolated places of Adilabad, Kumrambim, Asifabad, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Medak, Kamareddy districts of Telangana. On day 2 and day 3, orange warning has been given. Light to moderate rains are very likely to occur at most places of Telangana, and Heavy rain is very likely to occur at few places, and very heavy likely to occur at isolated places of Nizamabad, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulgu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Mehboobabaad, Warangal rural urban, Sangareddy, Kamareddy, and heavy rainfall very likely to occur over Kumarambim, Asifabad, Manchiryal, Nirmal, Jagityal, Rajana Sirsila, Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Vikarabad, Medak in the districts of Telangana. Day 4, Day 5, yellow warning has been given, and isolated heavy rainfall along with light to moderate rain at most places is likely to occur in northern districts Adilabad, Kumrambim, Asifabad, Manchiryal, Nirmal, Nizamabad districts. The extended range forecast for next 4 weeks shows that during week 1, moderate to heavy rainfall with thunder showers likely to occur at isolated places over Telangana during 1 week. Cumulatively likely to be above normal over Telangana during 1 week, week 1. And the same condition is likely to be there for week 2 also. The rainfall forecast shows that during the week 1, from 11th to 17th, there will be 40 to 70 millimeters per day on northeastern districts, and the other districts surrounding it is likely to have 2 centimeters to 4 centimeters of rainfall. And for the second week, it's likely to reduce as the system is moving out. The maximum temperatures are likely to be below normal over Telangana week 1 and week 2. Over Telangana during this rainfall, the temperatures are very likely to fall by 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, and the southeastern is likely to have temperatures of 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. And second week, temperatures are slightly rise higher and found to be in the range of 28 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperatures during this week 1 and week 2 are likely to be in the range of 20 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius during week 1 and week 2. The extended range forecast for next 2 weeks shows that the Telangana is likely to have large excess of rainfall, and it's likely to be around 48% during week 1 and around 57% during week 2. This is the evaluation of the cyclogenesis probability. It shows that considering the model products etc., low pressure could form over northwest Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours, which could move more marked over same region subsequent 24 hours. There is the low probability of it to become a depression, but it will move in a west-northwestward direction during first half of the week. But another low area could form over North Bay of Bengal during beginning of the week 2. And for weather updates, we have a website www.hyderabad.gov.in, and our phones are 27908506, 27906172. We also have a social media groups Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube, where every 3 hour products are updated and latest developments are also put into that. We have a crowdsourcing link like put in our imdhyderabad.gov.in, and app is also being available for crowdsourcing. I can download it and put it in your mobile, so that whatever data in the remote areas or the remote locations where observations are not available, including the photograph for every 3 hour interval, can be uploaded into it. Thank you for watching this weekly weather review, and please give us comments about this.